I feel kind of sad, but I'm just trying to keep the faith overall because I know she's safe with Jesus. But you know, she's always there with me, so I'm just trying not to worry.
My daughter Nickesha Montague, who was one of them that died on the highway, her husband's mother sent out a container of her furniture to be taken from the war, right? And each time they go, they carry up the money higher and higher. My daughter was on her way from Montague going to meet her husband at Wharf when the accident happened. I hear that it was a taximan passing that said an accident and took her phone and called her baby father, right? And when that call went to the baby father, he and my grandson went down there, and when they went down there, they realized that it was Nickesha on the ground.
These things is imminent, and it's a crisis in motor vehicle. I only want to murder, but killing. And it has been here next to COVID, next to regular murder. And government play a blind eye to things like this, and they don't feel it. And when you feel it, you know, you realize, and you see it before, that motor vehicle and bad driving and minibus and taxis is a problem, and it's causing people and grief every day. And people getting bitter and bitter and bitter every day. I'm part bitterness.
Yes.
I'm the worst adjective you can use to describe bitterness. So, and so I mean, you step up and bring back a society, we are a disciplined society.
Based on the information we have, on or about 11 a.m., a Toyota motor truck was traveling along the PJ Patterson highway towards Spanish Town. It is apparent that the driver encountered some difficulties with it. As a result of that, several persons were injured. We are able to confirm that 4 persons have died.